Okay, today is Monday, August the 28th, and I want to show the progress of the Cherimoya. I think a week or two ago, I went around and removing leaves that looked like this that got burned. Okay, and it looks like they are forming new leaves. New leaves are coming out now. So it's actually pretty fast that new leaves emerges. You see? Right there too. So pretty quick. So the reason why I am removing them is because, like in the winter, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna cause, disease, because it's gonna rot, right? And it's gonna be a big problem. So what I do is I just remove them right now. See this one here is emerged. So let the new one form. Okay, so lots of new one emerges, the new leaves emerges. It's pretty quick. Looks like there's a really big fruit in here. See that big fruit? Let's see. There's a big, I spot a big one right there. It's a big Cherimoya. Yeah. And there's a loofah. Loofah is doing pretty good, except for this one vine here. I don't know what happened, but it's like coming back. Okay. And oh yes, this mango here is flowering for some reason. Found a flower here, so I'll let it flower and see what happens. I'm not gonna remove it, but here's these are the fruits on this tree, and this looks like it's not gonna make it because I'm not seeing any new growth on the fruit. So and then we're gonna go check out the Chayote. So there are two different varieties here. This one is the one without the spikes, and I have not seen any fruit from this plant at all. There's a lot of new leaves, new growth, new vines, but no fruit. No fruits at all. And then I noticed the other day, I didn't know that I would have fruits on this one. I thought I would get only one fruit right here. But it turned out there's a whole bunch up here. You see? There's a couple up here. Right there. I did not notice that. You can see it inside the greenhouse. There's a couple more inside. So I am going to harvest it because I want to try this variety. I never had this variety before. So I'm gonna harvest this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there it is. And try and see, stir fry it with eggs. It's gonna be really good. And then we're gonna go inside the greenhouse and check that out. There's a few more in there on top of the greenhouse. Okay, and we have also this mango tree is flushing out new leaves. There's a whole bunch of new leaves. So the one in light greens, those are just new leaves in the last few days. So this one is the older leaves, and that's a new younger leaves. Okay. And then here's the other chayote that I was talking about. You see? There's quite a few up here. And then we have several passion fruit. I see a big one right there. You see a big one? Let's see. There's a big one up there. There's a couple of big ones. Ooh, look at that one right here. Look at this one. That's a really big passion fruit right there. Okay. There's a lot more. Okay, so we have two different varieties of chayote. This one is the one I just picked earlier. Look at all the little spiny thorn here. And then this one is the spineless or thornless one. That's from a friend. So I'm gonna try stir fry them with eggs and see what the difference is between the two. And then I'm gonna add this truffle, some dry garlic paste seasoning to it. Okay, so we have two dishes, two different chayote. So this one is from the one I grow myself that looks spiny. So taste test. Sweet and tender and crunchy. They both cook the same way. Same ingredient, eggs and truffle sauce. And this one is the other one that's not spiny. Okay. It's not sweet at all. Just plain.
Try this again. This is good. It's sweet. I didn't add any sugar. It's sweet. It's really good. And tender. I prefer this one. This one will be the winner. So, I would not grow this one. This is not sweet. Spiny one is the winner.